welcome to Moneycontrol. This is Shraddha Sharma and you're watching Reporter's Take. In today's edition, we'll discuss that LIC's equity investments might touch all-time high. There is Saraswati to answer more questions on that. Hi Saraswati, welcome to the show.
Hi Shraddha.
So what are the levels of the equity investments that we are talking about?
So at this point, what we're hearing from our sources is that LIC may invest almost 71,000 crore to 72,000 crore in equity in FY20. So this will obviously be an all-time high. So typically LIC invests between 50 to 60,000 crore every year in the equity markets, and it is obviously the largest institutional investor as far as stock markets are concerned. So this of course brings in a lot of positive news, and till now they have already invested around 34,000 crore as of now, and since the second half will be a much better period for LIC, because that is when most of the policyholders' money comes in, because second half is when more number of policies are bought because it's tax saving period. So a majority of those funds will be invested into the equity markets.
Okay, why is it crucial? Please help us understand that.
So LIC, as I mentioned, is the largest institutional investor in the equity markets. So LIC's movements as far as equity buy and sell is kind of seen as a positive signal by the markets, as well as the foreign institutional investors also look at what is the LIC is buying and selling plans, also take their positions accordingly. Now if LIC comes in and invests a huge sum as far as the equity markets is concerned, this will also boost a lot of the other investors who come in as well.
Okay, so what has been the trend so far?
So as far as LIC is concerned, there has been a consistent rise as far as the equity investments are concerned. So from FY17 onwards, there has been a year-on-year increase. So FY17, of course, there was a dip, it was 41,000 crore. But next year, immediately in FY18, they had gone up to almost 58,900 crore. And last year, they ended the year with almost 68,900 crore. So every year, we are almost seeing a 10,000 crore almost an increase as well. Now, and higher sum of course goes into debt securities as well, because LIC is largest life insurer, and the money obviously goes in guaranteed instruments. So this year LIC is planning to invest around 3.5 lakh crore into debt and equity put together. So of which around 72,000 crore will go into equities, and the rest all of it will go into government securities. While there has been a lot of volatility in the market, this signal from LIC comes in as a positive move.
All right, Saraswati, thank you for giving us all those details.
Thank you.
That's all for today's episode of Reporter's Take. For more news, views and updates, stay logged on to moneycontrol.com. Thanks for watching.